Hello and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow for beginner English learners. Emma is getting ready for a wedding. She wants a new haircut at the salon, but she is not sure what style she wants. Should she choose shorter hair? Should she get bangs? Little by little, she talks with her hairstylist and tries to find the perfect look. Here is today's listening question. What hairstyle does Emma finally choose? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And when you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing your answer can help you practice English and remember new words more easily. Now, let's begin.
Hi, welcome. Please have a seat. Thank you. What would you like today?
I want something new.
Okay. Do you want a haircut?
Yes, I have a wedding next week.
Oh, nice. Do you want a big change?
Maybe not a big change.
That's okay. We can look at some pictures first.
Yes, please.
Here are some popular styles.
Oh, I like this one.
The shoulder length style?
Yes, it looks soft and simple.
I think it would look very nice on you. Really?
Yes,
Do you want your hair shorter than now?
maybe a little shorter.
Okay, not too short?
Yes, not too short.
Got it.
I still want to tie my hair sometimes.
That makes sense. What do you think about layers? Soft layers could look very pretty.
Soft layers. I like that idea.
Here is another picture.
Oh, this one is nice too.
The hair is a little shorter here.
Maybe too short for me.
Okay, so not too short.
Yes, not too short.
No problem. We can keep the length soft and natural. That sounds good. Do you want something easy to take care of?
Yes, I don't want to spend a long time on my hair every morning.
Then this style could be good for you.
I like this style.
Great, we're getting closer.
Yes, I feel better now.
Good. We can take our time and choose carefully.
Thank you. I really like these pictures.
You're welcome. Let's look at a few more styles together. Okay, let's talk about the length now. Yes, I still want shoulder length hair. Like this? Maybe a little longer. A little longer than your shoulders? Yes, just a little. Okay, let me show you. All right. If I cut here, your hair will sit on your shoulders. That looks nice. And if I cut here, it will look lighter and shorter. Oh, maybe not that short. No problem. I want something soft and natural. I understand. I don't want my hair too heavy. Then soft layers could help. Soft layers. Yes, I like that idea. Good. What do you think about this length? I think this length looks very nice on you. Really? Yes, it frames your face well. Oh, that sounds nice. You also said you want to tie your hair sometimes. Yes, especially for work. Then shoulder length is a good choice. Okay, that makes me feel better. Great. Can you show me again? Of course. Like this? Maybe just a little shorter than that. Right here? Yes, I think so. Okay, this is a very balanced length. Balanced? Not too long and not too short. Oh, I like that. It will also look nice for the wedding.
Yes, that's important.
Do you want your hair to look more soft or more sharp? More soft,
Definitely more soft.
Then I will keep the layers gentle.
Perfect.
So shoulder length with soft layers?
Yes, shoulder length with soft layers.
Great, we have the length now.
I'm happy with this choice.
Wonderful. Next, we can talk about bangs. Okay, now let's talk about bangs.
Yes, I'm still not sure about bangs.
That's very normal. I like bangs sometimes, but not all the time.
Exactly.
Let's look at some pictures together.
Okay.
These are full bangs.
Oh, they look cute.
Yes, but they need more care every morning.
I see.
And these are soft bangs.
Oh, I like these better.
They look lighter and more natural.
Yes, that's what I want.
Soft and natural?
Yes, exactly.
You can also move soft bangs to the side.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Here is another picture.
Maybe these bangs are too thick.
Okay, not too thick.
Yes, not too thick.
What about this style?
I like this one.
The soft bangs with layers?
Yes, it looks simple but pretty.
I think this style fits you well.
Really?
Yes, it matches the haircut you chose.
That's good.
Do you want the bangs shorter or longer?
Maybe a little longer.
Like this?
Yes, maybe like that.
You can still see your forehead a little.
Oh, I like that.
It will look soft around your face.
Nice.
So no full bangs?
No full bangs.
Soft bangs instead.
Yes, soft bangs, please.
Perfect.
I think I finally know what I want now. Great.
Shoulder-length hair with soft layers and soft bangs.
Yes, that sounds perfect. Wonderful.
Let's get started. How does the length feel so far?
I like it. It feels lighter already.
Good.
It still feels soft and natural.
That's what we wanted.
Yes.
Now I will work on the front layers.
Okay.
I can make them a little shorter here. How short? Maybe around your chin. Oh, maybe not that short. Okay, I think I want them a little longer. No problem at all. Sorry, I changed my mind. That's completely okay. I just want the front to look soft. I understand. Not too short near my face. Got it. Can you show me first? Of course. Like this? Maybe a little longer than that. Right here? Yes, I think that looks better. Okay, let me check both sides. Thank you. What do you think now? Oh, I like this more. Good. It still frames my face nicely. Yes, and it blends well with the layers. Perfect. I'm glad we checked before cutting more. Me too. Small changes can make a big difference. That's true. Are you comfortable now with the length? Yes, I feel much better now. Great. Thank you for asking me first. Of course, I want you to love the haircut. I really like it so far. Wonderful. Now I'll finish the soft bangs. Okay, soft bangs, not too thick. Exactly. I'm excited to see the final look. Okay, we're finished.
Really?
Yes, ready to see it?
Yes, definitely.
All right, here you go.
Oh, wow.
What do you think? I love it. Really?
Yes, it looks soft and fresh.
I'm so happy to hear that.
The length is perfect.
Not too short?
No, not too short at all.
Good.
And I really like the layers.
The soft layers fit you very well.
Yes, they feel very natural.
What about the bangs?
The soft bangs look really nice.
I'm glad you chose them.
Me too.
They frame your face softly.
Yes, that's exactly what I wanted.
Wonderful.
I feel very different now.
Different in a good way?
Yes, in a very good way.
You look ready for the wedding.
Thank you. I feel much more confident now.
That makes me happy.
I was not sure at first.
Sometimes it takes time to choose the right style.
Yes, but we found the right one.
We did.
Thank you for listening carefully.
Of course, that's important.
You really understood what I wanted.
I'm glad.
How should I style it for the wedding?
You can curl the ends a little.
Oh, that sounds pretty.
Or you can keep it simple and natural.
I like the natural look.
Then this haircut is perfect for you.
Yes, this looks perfect.
I hope you enjoy the wedding.
Thank you, and thank you again for the haircut.
You're very welcome. So, how do you feel now?
I feel really happy.
I'm glad to hear that.
This was a very good experience.
Good. We made many small choices together today.
Yes, we did.
What was the first thing we talked about? First, we looked at hairstyle pictures. Right. I said, I want something new. Yes, I remember that. Then we talked about the hair length. And what did you choose? Shoulder length hair. Exactly. Not too short. Yes, you said that many times. Because I really did not want very short hair. That was helpful for me to know. Then we talked about bangs. At first, you were not sure. Yes, first I looked at full bangs. And after that? After that, I chose soft bangs instead. Good choice. I think so too. Then we had a small moment during the haircut. Oh yes, the front layers. Right. You wanted to cut them shorter, but you asked for longer layers. Yes, I said not that short. And then we checked the mirror together. Yes, and that helped a lot. Communication is important. Definitely. What is your favorite part of the haircut? I really love the soft bangs. They look very natural on you.
And I like the soft layers too.
Everything works together nicely.
Yes, the style feels very light and easy.
Perfect for everyday life and the wedding.
Exactly.
I'm happy we found the right style for you.
Me too. Enjoy the wedding next week. Thank you. I feel confident now. That's wonderful to hear. And next time, I know exactly what to ask for.
Emma finally found a hairstyle that felt soft, natural, and comfortable for her. Step by step, she made small choices and found a look she really loved. And you listened to the whole story in English. Great job! Even if some parts were difficult, that is okay. Listening little by little is a very good way to improve your English. Small practice every day can build strong confidence over time. Now, let's remember today's listening question. What hairstyle did Emma finally choose? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments. Writing helps you practice your English, remember useful phrases, and understand the story more clearly. And if this story helped you relax and practice English, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and beginner-friendly listening practice. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more gentle English stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening today. Take care, keep practicing, and see you in the next English Listening Stories video.